Hi guys, this is Miss Missy again from Lone Star College Sci-Fair in Harris County Public Library. And my son, Zack, and we're going to show you how to make a
bubble snake.
We're going to show you how to make a bubble snake.
Super easy.
To make a bubble snake, all you're going to need is some dish detergent, water, a bowl to mix it in. You're going to need a plastic bottle, which we're going to cut the end off, and a sock. It's really easy with the sock. If you have any that are left over from, let's say, mismatches, you can't seem to find that the dryer ate, or if our kiddo has outgrown it, like these ones. All right, to make the bubble blower, we are going to use our plastic bottle, and we're going to use a knife. Now,
parent permission always.
Parents' permission always. Please don't do this at home unless you have parent supervision. All right. There we go. All right, guys. Now we have that part ready, and we have to make sure to be careful what?
Don't scratch your fingers on
the edges. It could be very sharp, so be very careful.
And just
now we're going to use the sock.
Yeah.
And we're going to put over the end of our bubble maker. Can you hold that, Zack? All right, we're going to stretch it out. We're going to stick it right over the end part and slide it on there so you have a snug fit. Now, that doesn't look very right, does it?
No.
Let's fold it down. So we're going to fold it down over the edge, and so you still have the part we're going to blow through. All right, guys, now we're going to make our bubble solution. Now, really simple. If you don't have bubbles at home and you just need to make something really quick, just use some water. We're going to put that in. And then we're going to use our dish detergent, our dish liquid. All right, you want to squirt it in?
Yeah.
Okay, you can give it a little squirt in there. Here we go. Whoa, that's enough. A little goes a long way.
Now we just need to agitate it.
We need to agitate it or mix it up. Awesome. Do you think it's ready?
Let's just agitate it until it makes bubbles a little. Yeah.
Do you want to give it a try and see if it works, and then we'll take it outside? Okay.
Let's see.
Here we go. We're going to dip the end in that's covered in the sock. And then we're going to make sure that we remember to always blow out. We're not going to suck it in, okay? We don't want the bubbles to come in.
Let's go outside.
Well, why don't you try it right over the bowl first? Oh, I think it's working. Let's go out and play.
Yeah.
All right, now we're outside. Now we can really get into the bubbles. Are you ready? Let's see who can do the longest bubble snake. You ready? 1, 2, 3, go! You cheated. You started first. It's a lot of fun, guys. Super easy. Stuff that you already have at home. You should try this.
Never put it on your face.